Solar cell fabrication and testing is done in MXL. Through the tutelage of a graduate student, I was able to learn from start to finish this key process in satellite fabrication. In addition, we needed to learn how to document each individual solar cell with categories for testing, tabbing, and condition. Testing had to be done in order to validate each and every cell we went through. Every lab member involved in solar cell fabrication and testing, including myself, put our time and effort into this important activity. Forward biasing and powerful light sources were involved. The first step in fabricating a complete solar panel is to tab a side and the top of the solar cell using weights, heat, and meticulousness. Cutting the metal tabs in the first place is tedious. Most of the work is performed in soldering the tabs and then placing them underneath the solar cells for resoldering on the hot plate. Great care is absolutely necessary. Testing is visually stimulating. Strings are tricky and they require careful placement of cells. Testing using dark current forward biasing is performed after making strings. Preparing the epoxy for attaching cells to the panels requires patience, a lot of it. After preparation, the epoxy is evacuated of air bubbles in a vacuum chamber. Cleaning all components with alcohol before use in the clean room prevents gunk from getting into components. Applying primer on the panels prepares them for epoxy application. The next steps involve attentiveness and precision in applying enough epoxy to cover the entire panel while making sure epoxy does not get on the PCB board. On a side note, the MATLAB-based automatic testing methods that we use on our cells through changing loads and current are innovative in requiring little human input. This is the moment of truth. Once a panel is fabricated, testing enables us to ensure that all connections are go and that none of the solar cells will short circuit each other. Dark current testing is always quite illuminating, depending on how you look at it. The panels we have made so far have proven to be successful. Once they pass the moment of truth, the panels are put through flash testing, which indicates via IR camera footage whether voids underneath the cells could cause damage. Hello, my name is Joshua Vilas, and this summer I did research through the SURE program in MXL.